Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manually add or save a website or app, username and password with Samsung Wallet or Samsung Pass on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, we scroll down and tap on Passwords and Autofill. Then tap on Autofill with Samsung Password. Now this will allow you to go to Samsung Wallet, and from here you can tap on Sign In Info. And I will need to verify with my fingerprint. If you haven't set up Samsung Pass before, you will need to set up Samsung Pass before you can use this feature. Now you can then tap on Menu, and from here tap on the Add button, and then at the top here you can choose App or Website. So if you want to add in the username and password for a website, then you put in here website address. So let's say www.itjungles.com. So I just correct this one. Okay, so itjungles.com, and then tap on continue. And here you will choose as a website, and then you put in the username. So I will put in test, and password is test. Okay, and then you can also put in a note if you wanted to. It's optional. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So now we have added a username and password for the website itjungles.com. And whenever you need to sign in to that website, it will offer you to autofill the username and password. And that is how you can manually add or save a website or username or an app, username and password. If you need to add in an app, then you tap on app or website, and from the list here, choose an app that you want to use. So for example, if you want to save a username for Spotify, then you tap on that, and then you put in username and then password, and then tap on saved. And that's it. Now it will save the username and password for the app instead of a website. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.